knights used primitive cranes to mount their horses. Myth, knights used primitive cranes to mount their horses. Myth, all combatants belonged to a nation or state. Myth, all combatants belonged to a nation or state. Myth, knights were the dominant force throughout the Middle Ages. Myth, knights were the dominant force throughout the Middle Ages. Myth, the Crusades were an entirely undisciplined rampage. Myth, the Crusades were an entirely undisciplined rampage. Myth, knights were chivalrous by nature. Myth, knights were chivalrous by nature. Myth, full body armor was reserved for the wealthy. Myth, full body armor was reserved for the wealthy. Myth, stone castles were common throughout the Middle Ages. Myth, stone castles were common throughout the Middle Ages.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.